Assalamualaikum, welcome to Mr. Tech Fox. Today I'll show you how to take a screenshot in Windows. First, press Windows key plus print screen. Windows key plus print screen. This will take a screenshot of your entire screen and save it to your pictures folder under screenshots. Now, if you want to capture just part of your screen, press Windows key plus Shift plus S. Use your mouse to select the area you want and the screenshot will be copied to your clipboard. And now you have to save it from here. You can find that in this picture folder, and here you can see this is the screenshot. And that's how you can take a screenshot in Windows. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more quick tutorials. Thank you.